Hey, welcome to Art2, a channel for those looking for ways to sell their art online. In today's video, I'm going to share a story about my friend Skyler and how she created a print-on-demand business that brings in sales while she's at school, heck, even while she's sleeping. Print-on-demand has created a new opportunity for people to make money while they sleep. POD, or print-on-demand technology, allows you to print products as it is ordered, eliminating the need for large printing presses and storage space and all that kind of stuff. This technology is perfect for people who want to sell products with their designs on them because there are no upfront costs and no minimum order quantities. So my friend Skyler was looking for an easy business that she could run while attending university. She's an ambitious girl who wants to pursue her dreams of being an entrepreneur in order to make a difference in the world. However, she doesn't have any money or capital. She has a lot of student adversity, but doesn't have the time for a job as she is pretty busy studying and trying to get through university. So she decided to create her own job with print on demand as a business on Redbubble and Etsy. I want to be able to make my own money and not depend on my parents, she said. I don't want them telling me what I should do or thinking about their expectations, and I want to live life on my terms. Skyler has always loved creating art. She especially enjoys drawing and painting, but is also skilled at sculpting, poetry, and other types of art. When she was younger, her parents would often take her to local art galleries and museums. This exposure to art at a young age sparked her interest in the creative process and inspired her to pursue something in the arts. And in this case, being to take her art and find a way to make money from the thing she loves to do, which is creating art. While attending university, Skyler worked as an artist for a few years, but eventually decided she wanted to start her own business. She began searching different business models and eventually decided on print on demand as the perfect business for her to run in her spare time. Print on demand is a small business that can be operated online, making it a great option for someone like Skyler, prefers working from home, and doesn't have a lot of time to commit to running a business full time. When she was creating paintings, she was limited to where she could sell those paintings, and the cost of shipping art was holding her back from being able to grow her business. She decided to create an online store that would allow her to sell prints of her paintings directly to customers. With print on demand, she can keep inventory costs low and only order prints as they are ordered. This has allowed her business to grow, and she's now able to sell her paintings all over the world. Small business and online businesses can greatly benefit from print-on-demand platforms. These platforms do much of the customer service work for the business, and all the business owner has to do is upload their original artwork and enable it for sale on various products. This way, they can focus on creating new artwork and products rather than dealing with customer service inquiries and complaints. There are a few different print-on-demand platforms that Skyler joined, and each one does print-on-demand a little bit different. For example, one platform she joined prints the products only after orders are placed, while another platform she joined allows her to set up a shop and sell her products without ever having to worry about inventory or ship. It connects the two. The flexibility is great for small businesses who are just starting out and don't have a lot of resources. Overall, using print-on-demand platforms has been a great experience for Skyler. In her first few months, Skyler was earning about $20 a month with her print-on-demand business. She was also attending university full-time. A friend told her about print-on-demand and the ability to sell her art online and create this online business that took very little effort and that she can continue to study while she was running this business. Skyler decided to give it a try and quickly found success. In the first year after starting her business, she brought in more than $1,500 a month. This is a good amount of money for a student. Skyler credits her success to hard work and determination, as well as learning from other online on how to market her shop and how to create designs that would be people online looking for these types of designs. During her time at university, Skyler was able to establish a print-on-demand business. This has allowed her to keep earning a passive income while she's finishing her studies. She discovered that this was an excellent method to establish a small business while attending school. There were a few things that Skyler said she could have done differently if she were to start a new print-on-demand business again from scratch. Skyler should have researched the print-on-demand industry more before starting her business. This would have given her a better understanding of what to expect and how to run her business more effectively. Skyler also should have started her business with a smaller investment. This would have allowed her to test the waters before large investment. She invested in art materials, but then found that she could create designs digitally and not have to buy any art supplies at all. Additionally, Skyler would have created a business plan and marketing strategy before starting her business. Having a plan in place would have helped her stay on track and reach her goals faster. Skyler is doing great with her print-on-demand business. She's making $1,500 a month, which is nothing to scoff at. However, there is still more potential for her business to grow. She could continue to grow her customer base and explore new marketing strategies. Additionally, she could consider expanding her product line. By doing these things, Skyler can take her business to the next level. Print on demand can be a great way to produce small quantities of products for your business. It can also help you to test new product ideas before investing in large quantities. Here are 3 lessons that Skyler learned from her experience with print on demand. Make sure you have a clear idea of what you want to produce and how you want to market it. Print on demand can be a great way to produce small quantities of products for your business. It can also help you test new product ideas before investing in large quantity. Print on demand is usually done using digital printers, which means the quality and consistency can vary depending on the printer, and you should order a few products to see if the print-on-demand company meets your quality standards. So there was a lot of things that she thought she did right, and Skyler also learned from some of the things that she could have improved, which is the lesson learned, is that sometimes you have to start something in order to tweak it and figure out where it's going to go from there, and if there's a better path to take to be successful, which in this case, Skyler learned everything she could about this business and turned it into a successful side hustle for her. In conclusion, print on demand can be a great passive income stream while attending university or for anyone else looking to make some extra income online. With the right tools and research, anyone can start their own online store and begin making a profit. Be sure to consider all of the options available to you and choose the best platform for your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, do it now so you don't miss out on any new content and ideas to grow your online print-on-demand business. If you like this video, hitting the like button helps get this video in front of more viewers on YouTube. So keep uploading and have a great day, guys.